Good afternoon, everyone. I am Abdul Majid D. Ampuan, the 25th reporter. In my report, we are going to discuss water distribution system and water demand. So, what is water distribution system? A water distribution system is a part of water supply network with components that carry portable water from centralized treatment plant or wells to water consumer in order to adequately deliver water satisfy residential and commercial, industrial, and firefighting requirements. So, water supply distribution system. So, na nakita sa Google na water kini siya na kuan figure. So, naay source, treatment plant, storage tank, and main. So, main is dire na siya magpadulong sa mga dira na siya mag-distribute sa mga consumer sa tigbalay-balay or sa mga domestic kuan demand or industrial. So next is water demand. So water demand is equivalent to water uses, which is volume rate of flow that is applied to some beneficially purpose. So kabalo man gid na ang water demand is grabe gataas ng gataas. So tungod sa ang growth sa ang pagdaghan pud sa tao o ang naga-consume is gadaghan. So para maiwasan pud nato na dili ta magkulang sa tubig is dapat tarong nato siya og gamit like when maglaba is kanang habang sabon is kaning atong palungon ng tubig dili paagason permanente. So next is types of water demand. So natay 5 types of water demand. So first is domestic water demand. Second is industrial water demand. Third is institutional and commercial water demand. And fourth is public use water demand. And lastly is fire water demand. So, domestic water demand. The amount of water necessary is in residence for drinking, bathing, cooking, washing, laundering, and other household function is known as water demand and primarily depend on the habit on social status whether the tradition of the people. So bisag kanang dato ta or dili man ta dato is depende gyud na sa habit sa tao. Like sa ingon ako na kung magtipid ta sa tubig is makabalugid ta na dili ingon na kini kay like nakabutang drain is 135 liter head day for a middle class. So dili porket middle class ka is pag kuan is 135 liters. So depende gyud sa paggamit pero murag assumption nila sa kuan pag-study nila na ang magamit sa mga middle class and reaching living is 135 to 200 sa rich living. So next is domestic water demand for middle class living condition. So mao ni ang mga ginagamit sa middle class. So use drinking, cooking, bathing, washing clothes, uh, washing utensil, washing and cleaning houses and residence, flushing of water closets, etc. So this is the magamit niya. So ang sa drinking is 5 sa cooking, bathing 55, 20 sa washing clothes and washing utensil 10, tapos washing and cleaning of houses and residence 10 pod siya. So ang flushing is and water closet is 30. So equivalent of 135 per head per day sa domestic o sa middle class po siya. So mao ni pud ang nasa domestic water demand for reaching living condition. So uses is same lang gyapon siya pero ang nadungag diri is lawn watering and gardening. So as siyempre same lang. So ang napalahi lang pud ani so kusa consumption in liter per head per day is ang ang nadungagan ang sabating. Ang sabating is 20 at ang nadungagan ni 20 liters. So ang sa washing is 5 tapos 5 po sa utilities of sa uban is mauna manahimo na siya marag nadungagan. So bale equivalent of 200 siya. So calculation of water demand for domestic purposes for 2,000 people. So, mo siya ang pag-compute sa 2,000 people. So, per person per day is, example is sa middle class living. So, 135 liter day per day is the total population of the township is equal to 2,000 people. So, Q is equal to total population times water required with per person per day. Where so ang Q is equal, total quantity of water. So Q is equals to the population 2,000 people times water required per person day is 135 liter per day. So i-times na to siya is na siya ay 270,000 liter per day. So mo ni ang required per day sa 2,000 people. So next is capacity of water tank. So capacity of water tank is equal to total population times water required tank. So 2,000 per day po. So same lang sila o kuan kung pila ang kuan tank is times po nimo sa 135 liter per day. So na po siya 270,000 liter per day. 135 liter per day is water required per person. So we assume the 5 person per residence is na siya per residence is na ay 5 katao. So capacity of water tank is equals to number of people water required per tank. So residence, so mo ni siya 5 times 135 liter per day is equal to 675 liter per day. Next is second is kani siya industrial water demand. So in industrial is the water needed in industry mostly realized on the kind of industry that are established within the town. So the water needed by various industries like paper mills, clothes mills, cotton mills, brewers, and sugar refiners, etc. So comes under the industrial uses is about to 50 liter capita per day or 20 to 25% of total water demand is normally considered as industrial water demand. So next is the institutional and commercial water demand. So this type of water demand includes the water requirement for the public buildings other than residence. So mao ni ang mga apel sa commercial. So kabalo naman ta sa ang commercial buildings is commercial buildings, malls, colleges, offices, schools, and hotel and bus depot and other similar public buildings comes within this category. So commercial demand is 20 to 50 liter head a day. So next is the public use water demand. So this includes the quality of water required for public utility purposes such as washing and sprinkling on road. So cleaning of sewers and water of public parks, gardening, public fountain, etc. comes from other public demand. So kabalo naman sa mga public uses is kanang mga sa CR, sa public. So what apil na siya sa mga public uses water demand. So usually public demand is 20 liter capita day or 5% of the total demand for city is considered for a public uses while designing water supply scheme. So last is the fire water demand. So water requirement for fighting purposes for under this head, the volume of water necessary for firefighting is usually computed by making use of various empirical formula for water demand, Quichling's formula, providing acceptable result. So Q is equal to 3,182 square root of P, where is Q is equal to volume of water required in liters per hour. So P is the population of the city in thousands. So thank you. Unta na namin nasabtan.